You can't see the hot mess that happening underneath here and how bent up it looking underneath. No, you see perfection. Like, how much do you think it's going to cost if it's selling in Wonderful World versus if it's selling in Pennywise? Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's poppin'? So y'all, I went scrolling through TikTok, minding my business, scrolling, and I saw these type of lashes that is not installed the traditional way. They're installed differently, and I was like, yo, they look like individuals, and I really want to get into individuals. I want to try it, see if I like it, that kind of vibe. So I was like, why not do it this way, see how it works, and if this is something I can see myself doing. So that's what we're gonna try out today. I went on Amazon, I ordered it, and it arrived not too long ago, so we're gonna jump into it. The name of this is called The New Way to Lash Mascara by Kiss. This is what it looks like. So it has like wispy lashes that gives you that kind of sort of individual type effect. So how it's done, it's almost like if how you would apply mascara, you know, in that from underneath go up, and it's the same way except it's with lashes. And this item I have here is actually the starter kit, and it's lengthening, so it's supposed to make my lashes look longer. Yo, I'm so excited to try this, but I'm low-key scared I don't screw it up. So my face is already on. I really want to still put on some subtle eyeshadow, something, so I'm gonna come back with my eyes done. I don't want to do a dramatic look on my eyes because I don't want it to take away from the eyelash that we're going to show. So I'm gonna be really soft, really subtle, so that y'all can still see the effect of the lashes. Look like mine. Okay, let me go and come back. Don't move.
A few minutes later.
Now that my eye makeup is complete, we can dive in. Okay, so there's actually a how-to video on kissusa.com. So let me look at that video like real quick. We want to make sure we're doing this thing right. And there's actually like a comparison picture at the back where they're showing you how others look in comparison to Kiss. Their wisps, which is supposed to make it look even more natural. Taking this in steps, making sure we get it right. And it says here that the bond is infused with biotin. It's non-damaging and primes the natural lashes to prep them for wisps. So, it's not supposed to mash up my lashes or make it fall off, okay? Let me just zoom you guys in for a little bit. Make sure y'all can get all up in this grill. This is how it looks straight out of the packaging. We have the tube here that consists of the bond on one side and the seal on the next side. Only give me a minute. I feel like I'm telling you to shut up.
Here we go.
Hey, buddy. I hear you. I'm filming. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, let me start you. Anyways, one side has bond and the other side has the seal. And here we have the utensil that is used to help apply the wisps. This is what it looks like. It's very heavy, like it feels like literal metal. I thought it would have been plastic for some strange reason. Anyways, this is basically the applicator, and we have the wisps. Okay, so there's the amount for each eye. Hair, y'all, if this thing works out, I'm going to be so happy. You have no idea. How is it that my memory card has 4 minutes? That is so strange.
A few moments later.
So what had happened was, y'all, I was running out of memory, so I decided to do one lash off camera. But I'm back to do this side for y'all to see the amount of times I had to take off and put on. Let me see if I go have an issue for hair. So the first thing to do is to put on the bond. All it is looking good at. I just really hope I don't screw up this next side. Not only my lashes done crazy all over the place. But we got still do what we had to do. So it's like the bond is like mascara, right? Right. Step 1. Step 2. We have the lashes. Let me take off this kind of plastic thing. Oh god, Ollie. I closed my eyes and started to stick. Okay. Step 2. Step 2. Oh god, it keeps sticking together. Okay, I can't blink. We opening this. Oh god, I blink. And then I'm gonna use the applicator to apply it, right? And then we are going to apply it close to the lash line, not on the lash line. It's going on the lashes. And then the next thing I do is take the applicator and use it to hold my lashes and the falsies together. These lashes in the corner here just give the most of the trouble. So since I get them down, and when I say lashes, meaning because of the glue, it keeps sticking to my lower lash line. It wasn't happening with my other lashes, just the outer part there. So now I can easily blink and move on to the other one. I tell this child I film, you know. I just use my fingers to try and like shift it in place there. So far so good. All it literally look like if my lashes growing up. I need to use my right hand. Let me switch hands and see if that helps. Let me pinch them together. Oh gosh, and I'm just tilting it down a bit because it's looking real up there now. Honestly, this doesn't feel too difficult. It is a bit time consuming, especially if you're not used to it, and it would seem that way, but I liking this vibe up so far. I love how it looks really natural, and I think that's what I'm liking the most. I just want these two lashes to look like if they're best friends. Okay, last one. Oh gosh, do come on, crooked now. You know what I really like about this is that you can't see the hot mess that happening underneath here and how bent up it looking underneath, right? Like, let me see if y'all can see what I'm talking about. You can't see the craziness. You can't see the craziness that's happening underneath, because when I look at you like this, y'all not seeing my problems. Or not seeing my issues, my circumstances. No, you see perfection. Perfection. And that's what I really like. Okay, the last step is to seal. So we're gonna apply the seal, because these things has a very high smell. I feel like there's a possibility it could you know, like irritate your eyes if your eyes are that sensitive. My eyes looking wet, boy. The purpose of the seal is to remove any glue and stuff like that might still be like trapped on it, so it doesn't have your eyes like closed shut. They said the seal is formulated with nourishing vitamin E. Seal removes any tacky residue and locks the wisps in place for an all-day wear. Let me finish my lash line and dust away all these excess powders. For my lower lash, I'm going to put on the Revlon Sophia's mascara because we can't leave the bottom lashes empty, you know. Them want love too. I need to dust away these powders on my face. And I need to add a little eyeliner because all I ain't done yet. Let me add a little bit more lip gloss. What's I doing, right? With this false mascara, I realized you get the individuals without having to pay the individual's price. I like it. Like, how much do you think it's going to cost if it's selling in Wonderful World versus if it's selling in Pennywise? I'm thinking this might be like about $199. I'm thinking this might cost like $199 or $200 if it's in Wonderful World, and you might get it for like $120 in Pennywise, or maybe just under $100, like $89.95 or something like that, because you know Pennywise love to throw in at $95. So let me know, what do you think the price range is going to be if this were to sell in Wonderful World or Pennywise, and let me know if you'll ever try it. Will you purchase the Kiss Falls mascara? Let me know in the comments. I absolutely love it. If I didn't have to wait for shipping, I'd probably have a couple of these for when it is I feel like I want to rock that individual vibes. Please let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Oh gosh. Bye. Yes, I'm completely aware that there is lip gloss on my finger, but whatever. Bye y'all.